I thought I knew you, but I don't. Thought I could handle you, but I can't. You make a fool of everyone, make us wish we owned a gun. Why won't you ever listen? How many times has this begun? Why won't you ever just sit and listen? 'Cause it just might help if you would listen. Maybe then you'll find out what it's like to live without, and then you'll see that you have got to play your part. Put your money in your country, 'cause your lives are out of reason now that eating is believing. You promised everything to come, but what I see is what you done. You made a fool of everyone, made us wish we owned a gun. Maybe then you'll find out what it's like to live without, and then you'll see that you have got to play your part and put your money in your country, 'cause your lives are out of reason now that eating